Welcome trial fans. I went to another thrilling city which is in Burbank and Riverside Drive. I want to show you the PickwickGardens LAKingsIce rink, which has a banquet room, bowling and wedding hall. I'm all going to show you the facade, and maybe in the future video I'll go inside these establishments. Ice skating rink from Michael's birthday episode. In the episode, the office goes on the ice skating rink to cheer up Kevin, but in actuality it's for Michael's birthday. It's located at 1001 West Riverside Drive, Burbank, CA 91506. Also, other productions filmed in the ice rink, like an episode of Alias, E2 the Mighty Ducks, Miracle on the Ice, Gilmore Girls Face Off, hung to show episodes, Mind Bullets or Bang Bang Bang, MF, Quincy ME, Beyond the Open Door, 1983 episode, ER episode Atonement, 2008 Emergency Sanity Epidemic episode. Here's the Riverside room, and then the Wick Bowling Center, which appeared in the Parks and Recreation in season 4 episode Bowling for Voters. It also appeared in ER TV show episode 15 season 6, also in the Flower 2017 film, and Kirby 2000 Ted and Mary episode. So let me know your stories in the comments below if you actually came here and your thoughts on it. I might want to come and see the inside, so I might do that in a future video, so stay tuned for that. But I think it's pretty cool just to go inside of a bowling center and a ice rink. I've never been. I actually went to a bowling alley or a bowling center, but never a ice rink. So it'd be kind of new for me. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So this location is the same location. You just have to like walk a little bit. But once you're here, you can see the bowling alley and everything. And here's some kind of posters I want to show you guys that they left out here. I guess it kind of broke down. So, but I guess they have a comedy club here. If you actually attend the comedy club, just let me know. Or if you've been to those comedy sets, I think I just want to know if you've been. But yeah, it's kind of cool. So this is what it looks like, the inside, or just the facade kind of the LA Kings. I want to show you what it looked like. But I didn't go inside or anything. But I think maybe like later on, or whenever I come back here, I'll maybe want to go inside. Just yeah, let me know your thoughts. Here's some teams playing. There's the office, so that's the start. Going inside, and then I'm gonna show you the garden a little bit. This is where they have ceremonies and stuff. You saw the intro of the video. You saw a little bit of what it looked like. I'm gonna show you the whole thing a little bit. So yeah, this is where ceremonies could happen. You could have ceremonies or anything really, anything you want to celebrate. You can come and do it here. I think maybe they actually had something. Actually, when I went there, they actually had a ceremony of someone. So I'll show you the inside of the rooms. What they're doing a ceremony for. But we asked the staff. They said, "Oh yeah, we have ceremonies and marriages or any type of like celebration kind of." So that's kind of cool. We have a big waterfall. It's a nice place to walk. They have many different plants. There's some places that you could eat or sit down on the tables and just enjoy yourself. And there's also a map here of Pickwick Garden. And I think I said earlier Dickwick. I didn't mean to say that. I meant Pickwick, but yeah, it's a pretty cool place. So yeah, if you need to come here for any type of celebration, just check this place out. And I guess talk to staff. That's a pretty cool place to do anything really. So this is what the inside looks like of the Pickwick Garden that you saw in the beginning of the video. So I just want to show you. So my next location is the Thrilling Ranch, which is pretty fun. Many visitors can have weddings and ride a horse and just feel like a cowboy. The location is right next to the Pickwick Garden. It's located 480 West Riverside Drive, Burbank, State USA. The ranch is called the LA Equestrian Center. These are some films that filmed here. Pretty Woman 1990, Equal Fest on 14, Scouts Honor. W Hills 90210 episode meeting, Mr. Pony, the Colbys unanswered prayers, Dynasty various episodes, the Aftermath, the Man Falcon Crest various episodes, and the Fall, Chameleon, Charades, Confessions, Perilous, Charm, Solitary Confinement, the Avenger, the Last Laugh, True Confessions, Winner Take All, Find of Lost Lovers episode, Broken Promises, Heart to Heart episode, Straight Through the Heart, Night Rider episode, Forget Me Not, and Night by a Nose, Melrose Place episode 4, Prayers and a Pregnancy, Scarecrow and Miss Teen, Charity Begins at Home, Simon, the richer they are, the harder they fall, J. Hooker, the Cheerleader Murder, and California's Gold episode, Traveler. So there's a lot that's actually filmed here. But yeah, I think it's a cool place. You can pretty much ride horses. Just gotta check the price online, or like just check the website. But it's a pretty cool place, and maybe one day I'll do that. But there's a lot of things to see. Not only the farms, but they have places that this is basically a place that you could do your wedding in. So that's kind of cool, and you could celebrate pretty much anything here. You just gotta, I guess, do it before kind of beforehand. Just call them up and make an appointment. But it's pretty cool. So just check this place if you haven't. I think it's a pretty cool place, regardless of it being a filming location. I think it's cool just to be there and see, or just feel like you're one of those, like you're in the Old West or something like that. So it's kind of cool. Beside the stables, they would have the Equestrian Arena, which is has the competitions, farm and Western trade show, and large conference and concert. And you can actually see the clip on TJ Hooker's the show that filmed here, that was the episode. You can see them go inside the arena. So it's kind of... They also have a cricket field. They have a hunt field, which is banquet, farmland, picnic playground. The polo field, football field, outdoor wedding ceremony, carnival fairground, picnic playground. They have a little White House, which is used for mountain cabin, farmhouse, cabin, living room, patio, private party, and wedding ceremony. So yeah, pretty cool if you're looking for a place to just hang out and or celebrate something. It's pretty cool. You also ride horses. They have a rain cafe, which is outdoor cafe. So that's kind of cool. They have a derby room inside of most of the inside of the place. They have a barn. So yeah, it's a pretty cool place. I might want to come back and do some horse riding.
Palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I'm happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club.
Kind of looks like they're doing production here, but it's basically a parking lot. It's ideal for large base camps, star wagons, and craft services. Lots can be staged to look like a fleet or farmers market, so that's what they do. And they have a lot of interesting stuff. Like in the start of the video, they have a cricket field, which I showed you in the start of the location. It's kind of cool to see. And this is, I'm gonna show you more of the place here. So this is basically a place where you can do your celebration. It's pretty cool, or pretty nice, And this would be the Christian ballroom and garden terrace. So this is where you can have an indoor wedding reception, seminar, meeting setting, indoor trade show, garden wedding, and garden store. So that's kind of cool. basically inside the building is a polo room, is banquet reception and company party. So that's where you can have that. So this is the front of the LAEC building. This can be used as exterior of an office building. One production company said dressed as a motel entrance. So they could like use it for like different shows as like a prop. You know, they'll just change the sign. They have some like tourist stores where you can shop and stuff. So that's kind of cool. So inside the derby room, they all have a retail store, school, classroom, church, social gathering space, exercise room. Exterior should be used as a storefront. This room is often used as a ideal place for background holding. Grand Prix room and Grand Terrace would be the golden ceremony, wedding reception, cocktail party, conference, casino, backyard, and garden party. I hope you have a fun time here. Get to come here and see everything. I'll see you in another Thrilling